Welcome to this video, 100 tips and tricks in ABAP tip 55. So in this video I would like to show and explain to you how you can set up the ABAP formatter in Eclipse within the ABAP development tools ADT. So here right now I have already opened up one local program. On that I would like to show you how to set up the ABAP formatter and to format this coding, because basically this is not formatted nicely. It's quite hard to read even though it's a very simple and straightforward program. And the ABAP formatter in Eclipse is the same and almost the same as if you would use the pretty printer within the SAP GUI, normally within the ABAP editor, object navigator and so on. So to set up the ABAP formatter, you have to right click on your project and then you have to go to properties, or you can also use the key combination Alt and Enter, and then you will end up in here. Then you have to open up ABAP development, then editors, source code editors, and then we are in here on ABAP formatter. What you also could have done is just enter ABAP formatter in here, then you are in here. And here you have the same settings as in the SAP GUI in the pretty printer settings. So my recommendation is to set up the indentation so that the lines will be intended. And then I would also specify custom and uppercase the keywords and lowercase the identifiers. And here you have also the preview how this is going to look like. So here we can see that all the keywords are in uppercase, that we have down here our indentation basically, and the identifiers are in lowercase. So then after making these changes, you click on apply or click on apply and close. And then here, if you are in the coding, then under source code, here you have the option to format your code to call the ABAP formatter. So either click on this button, then this code will be formatted nicely, or if I'm using Control Z to undo this, and then using Shift F1, as if you are maybe familiar with an SAP GUI with the pretty printer. Here in Eclipse you can also very easily, very quickly format your code. And yeah, I said this, if you have any questions left, please put them in the comment section. Please like this video and please remind yourself that there are still great upcoming videos about ABAP tips and tricks available. 45 still left and upcoming, so stay tuned and see you in the next video.